Okay, so the first one that I chose was Nutrition Self-Portraits. This one was for grades K through 2. What I integrated it with was English Language Arts. I did that because the standard that I chose for English Language Arts was to add drawings or other visual displays and descriptions. And for the health standard, it was recognize healthy behaviors. What Nutrition Self-Portraits was is you would have the students draw a picture of themselves in the middle of a paper, and then they would go ahead and go around the paper, around themselves on the paper, and draw healthy options that they like to eat. So like apples, broccoli, anything like that. And then once they fill that out and they draw everything that they deem to be nutritious and that they like to eat, you'll just go ahead and display it in the room so that everybody in the class can see it. I chose that one because I thought it was really cute, and it would be, especially for kindergarten, I think that they would have fun drawing their own self-portrait and maybe thinking of healthy options that they think are healthy. So it'd be kind of cute to see what they would deem as healthy. This is what mine look like. The drawings are probably just as good as kindergarten, but I drew like grapes and salmon, carrot, broccoli and apple, salad. For the second one that I chose, this one's for 4th through 5th grade. It's called A Healthy Breakfast. This one is students are divided into groups of 4 to 6. Each group will have 2 sheets of paper. I only use 2 sheets of paper because you don't really need to use 4. What they do is when they're divided into their groups, each group will have the 2 sheets of paper. On the first 2, they'll have nutritious and not nutritious and breakfast. What they'll do is they'll go ahead and come up with a breakfast that they deem healthy and not healthy, and they'll compare it to the My Plate. So like what they would find for the grains, protein, dairy, anything like that. Once they complete that, they'll go ahead and discuss it with the class and with everybody else and see what they all came up with and what they said was nutritious and not nutritious. Once they discussed it, you can go ahead and move on to lunch and dinner. For mine, I just did the nutritious and not nutritious breakfast on one side, and then on the other side I did the nutritious and not nutritious lunch and dinner, just so you didn't waste that much paper. I really liked this one because I thought it was cute with especially older students, 4th through 5th. It would get them discussing and brainstorming with each other ideas of what they would deem as nutritious and not nutritious, and it gets them thinking about what they could change maybe in their lifestyle to eat healthier. Those are the 2 that I chose.